Guys, sharing is here one more admin came on this channel, and in today's video I'm solving one more LeetCode scam solving video admin came. And I tell you one thing else, our weekly contest 6 is easily ended very easily, as because in the weekly contest 6 we cover all 4 topics. From now today's video we are starting our weekly contest 7, and in our weekly contest 7 our first question is not unlock, it is lock. So that's why I'm not solving our first question. I'm starting from our second question, and this question is easy one question, which and this question heading is longest palindrome. Okay, and question number 409, which we are solving in today's video, longest palindrome. Okay, so please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our these type of videos on this channel. But anyways, let's move toward onto the big screen and let's do our coding with laughing it. So let's try to solve our 409 question by the name of longest palindrome. And you are thinking why I'm not solving 408 question, because in the previous video I solved 407 question, and in today's video I'm solving 409 question. Why I'm not solving 408 question, like I've told you in my introduction, and I'm not solving 408 question because of some reasons, because the 408 question are unlocked. Let me show you how. Here, this is subscribe to unlock. This is a lock, so that's why I'm not solving it. So we are come on our 409 question. Let's start to solve it. So this is an easy one, so this video will be smaller. Okay, so but anyways, let's drag and drop this into our Word file, so you will be understand the question carefully. So now first of all, it is saying me given a string s which consists of a lowercase or uppercase letters. Then the task is our task is we want to return the length of the longest. Okay, this our task. Palindrome that can be built with those letters. Letters are case sensitive. Highlight this, case sensitive. Letters are case sensitive. For example, capital A and A means if you write capital A and small a is not considered as a palindrome. Okay, so now let's see the example. This is one string as a string it had been built by the name of s. As a string it had been built in which he write a b c c c c d d, and the output will become 7. Why? Because one longest palindrome that can be built in is d c c a c c d, whose length is 7. Now, in our case 1, our output will become 7, and in our case 2, here he write as, here he create a one string by the name of s in which he write a, and the output will become 1, because the longest palindrome that can be built is a, whose length is 1. And these are the constants which we use to solve this question. So let's read the question quietly. Given a string s which consists of lowercase or uppercase letters, return the length of the longest. Okay, so you must know that the letters are case sensitive. You will be put this thing into your mind. Letters are case sensitive. For example, a is not considered. Okay, let's try to solve it. So now I'm not beg it because I want to read a question. Okay, that's why. Enter. And what is this link? Let's click on this link. Okay, it's okay. Palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. Okay, first of all we initialize a set to keep track of characters with odd frequencies. Enter. So char set equals to set. So in this line, what we want to do in this line, here I initialize a set to keep the track of characters with the odd frequencies. In this line I want to do this, and now here I initialize the length of the longest palindrome. Length equals to 0. So in this 6th line here I initialize the length of a longest palindrome. Okay, Now enter press. So iterate over each character in the string for char in s. So in this line, in the ninth line here, I iterate over each character in the string in the ninth line. Okay. So then, okay, enter. Now define one more comment. If the character is already in the set, comma, remove it and increase the length by 2. Enter. So if char in char set, enter, char set dot remove char, enter, length plus equals to 2, enter, backspace. Now in this line, in the 11, 12, 13 line, if the character is already in the set, remove it and increase the length by 2. In this line we are doing this. And now if the character is not in the set, add it to the set. So now else, enter, char, then set, then dot add. We are using the add method in which I am writing char. Now in this line, in the 15 and 16 line here, if the character is not in the set, add it to the set. Okay, so our character is not in the set, so I have added into the set. So enter press when we use it, so backspace. Now here we want to do this, so let me remove this all the things. Now here, if there are any characters left in the set, add 1 to the length for the middle character. Enter. If char set, enter, length plus equals to 1, enter, backspace, enter, return the total length of the longest palindrome, enter, return length. So in the, first of all, in the 19 and 20 line, if there are any character left in the set, add 1 to the length for the middle character. We do this. And in the 23 line here, I written the total length of a longest palindrome in the 23rd line. So we have written our all the code. So let's read our question one more time and then see the answer of it. So now let's see it. Here we use the s, okay, and char also. And now let's run it, and when I run this code, so then it has been accepted. Here you can see it not giving me any error. In our case 1, our output will become 7. In our case 2, our output will become 1. And let's submit and let's see the submission. And when we submit this and then see, then here we come on the top. Here you can see it, okay, and we solve it in the 3 milliseconds easily as. And now here we solve our 409 question by the name of longest palindrome, and this is an easy one. So go on to my profile. My profile name is Rayyan Beg. So go on to my profile and view my profile. Okay, Rayyan Beg. This is my profile name. So go and view my profile. So but anyways, now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos of the solving video on the LeetCode camp. So for today, goodbye.